It's more irrigation repair time.
I don't usually take all the strapping off these things.
I think we're going to go ahead and take it off, all of it, because otherwise it's going to be hard to unroll.
I usually connive it, but since you're here, I won't connive it.
Okay. I'll hold it and you can start unrolling it. We want to go double the length. Here, let me get a shovel or something so I can hold this up and it'll spool more easily.
Or I could just take it off the end like this. Hey, Doodle. It says, I'm getting bonked.
Okay, now you can pull.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to just let this lay here with a rock on it. So you're going to move down there now and work on the irrigation?
Yep.
While Rufus and I kill weeds.
I don't need your help, Rufus. I'm fine without any more help. The valves in these sprinkler heads have an electrical solenoid that turns the water off and on, but it also has a little bit of a control that comes out the top of the casting. And what happens sometimes is that casting will develop a leak, and that's exactly what's happened in this one. There's a leak along the shaft, and the problem with that is that's not repairable. You have to replace that unit. Fortunately, I can just pull the top off and put a new top on. Unfortunately, I've already used my spare valve to repair this other one right over here. That means I need to cannibalize one that I plan to use someplace else because I'm not going to the hardware store today. I just need to pivot that solenoid out of the way so I can get the last screw. It It's tight, but I can get in there okay. Wind's come up this afternoon. Wasn't really forecast like this. At least I remember. I'll ask Irene later if it was supposed to get this windy. We've had some unsettled weather. It's been warmer than what they originally forecast. Now it's supposed to be cooler, but it doesn't seem to be cooler to me. Let's see if I can get this to come off. There we go. How's it going, Irene?
Well, the camera fell over.
We have a community cleanup that happens this week. And I can take yard waste and everything else down for free. It's a 28-mile drive, but I don't have to go pay the fee for tipping our trash. It's not so much the trash as the yard waste and other heavy things. All I need to do is take off this donor valve, put it on the other valve body, put it back together. Should work fine then. A little persuasion, maybe more than a little bit of persuasion. There's a part. Got it. Just have to be careful not to tear this gasket. Got it. Put the screws in and we're done. Well, we're done except for connecting it up and testing it. But it's a good start. And just like that, that new electric valve is in. Now it's time to go turn it on and see if it leaks.